everyone. I welcome you all to today's focus of the day session. Today we are going to discuss about Bharat Bill Payment System, which is relevant from Indian economy's perspective as per our UPSC CSE syllabus. So let's look at the sequence. First we shall be looking at why it is in news. Then what is Bharat Payment System, that we shall be understanding. Thereafter, who can become a member, followed by why was Bharat Payment introduced in India at the first place, and what is the scope and coverage of Bharat Bill Payment System. And then we shall look at the details regarding NPCI, followed by the prelims and mains based practice questions for you all. So without further ado, the news. So RBI has proposed to enable BBPS to accept cross-border inward payments, means payments coming to India from outside India can be accepted through BBPS. So what is BBPS all about? We shall be discovering shortly. So the implications of this particular announcement is that non-resident Indians will soon be able to make utility, education and other bill payments for their families in India by using the Bharat Bill Payment System, BBPS. So the full form is Bharat Bill Payment System. The Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, has yesterday proposed to enable BBPS to accept cross-border inward payments. RBI has also decided to bring credit information companies under the internal ombudsman framework. So these are certain developments which have recently taken place. Now let's understand about the Bharat Bill Payment System. BBPS refers to Bharat Bill Payment System, which was launched in 2015 by the Reserve Bank of India itself to facilitate bill payments across banks. The system uses an e-billing platform to allow users to pay utility bills from their bank account and mobile numbers. What are utility bills? For example, paying for grocery, paying your mobile phone's postpaid bill. The ability to pay bills online has made consumers more comfortable with these transactions and at the same time has opened up other avenues for them besides just credit card payments. The Bharat Bill Payment System, BBPS, is a Reserve Bank of India approved bill payment service that offers an integrated and interoperable system to pay bills. This can be used to make almost any bill payment, be it utilities, telecom, insurance premium you can also pay, school fees or donations you can give through BBPS. Who can become a member of BBPS? Any bank. So members are banks and the transactions are interbank transactions that are conducted through the payment system of Bharat Bill Payment System. So commercial banks, small finance banks or payment banks meeting the eligibility criteria specified in BBPS regulations can become a member. And then if you are a account holder of that particular bank which is the member of BBPS, you can transact using Bharat Bill Payment System. Any non-bank entity having a net worth of INR, that is Indian National Rupee, 50 crore or more and meeting other conditions as may be specified in the regulations can be a member as well. A payment system operator or a payment service provider engaged by any of the above entities like these. So HDFC can have its own payment gateway and so on. Even they can channelize the same as members or through Bharat Payment System. Now, why was Bharat Bill Payment System introduced in India at the first place? What was the requirement? BBPS is one-stop solution for all recurring payments. For example, you need to pay your electricity bill time and again every month or every 2 months or every 3 months, whatever is the cycle. It will allow customers to make utility bill payments like electricity, gas, water bills direct to home, DTH, your dish antenna, service provider, payments, telephone bills, etc. through a network of agents in their communities or internet banking or mobile banking services offered by banks. As the process is electronic and paperless, BBPS will make payments more convenient and efficient than transactions in cash. Payments can be made instantly and there is no need for customers to maintain an account with each utility service provider to make timely payments. Payments can even be automated as BBPS offers multiple payment channels, that is bank branches, bank business correspondents, ATMs, internet banking and mobile banking. It will increase the choice of payment channels available to consumers for making recurring bill payments. Further, banks offer other value-added services like auto debit facility. This is the automated payment deduction that I was talking about from customers' account that can be customized based on the consumers or customers' requirements such as frequency of payment, monthly or quarterly, last date for payment, etc. That can help consumers manage their finances better and make sure that they do not miss out on paying the bills and thereafter a discontinuation in service they do not have to face. Now, what is the scope and coverage of Bharat Bill Payment System? This is very crucial for you to know, especially from the upcoming mains examination perspective. The BBPS is RBI conceptualized system driven by National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI. So very important information. It was conceptualized, the idea was mooted and developed by RBI. But right now, which entity is taking care of the BBPS? Which entity is regulating and looking out all the operational functions of BBPS? It's NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, to facilitate interoperable bill payments services to customers across geographies with certainty, reliability and safety of transactions. It is a one-stop platform that enables multiple online and offline payment modes. It will provide instant confirmation of the payment status from the biller's end. The service will be made available through more than 1 lakh agents or business correspondents, 50 plus banks and non-banking financial companies, that is NBFCs, multiple payment methods like internet banking, debit card, credit card, IMPS, and unified payment interface, that is UPI. So you can use the Bharat Bill Payment System through various channels, or in fact I should say Bharat Bill Payment System helps you utilize various modes of payment to pay your particular bills. As BBPS or scope and coverage of Bharat Bill Payment System offers multiple payment channels, bank branches, business correspondents, ATMs, internet banking and mobile banking. What is this going to do? This is going to increase the choice of payment channels available for the consumers for making recurring bill payments. Further, banks offer other value-added services like auto debit facility. So we have already talked about all these details. Further, billers are facing increasing challenges in managing agent networks as they cannot provide adequate incentives and commissions, due to which agents are unwilling to accept this type of low-margin business. This has led to poor availability of retail touchpoints where consumers can pay their bills, resulting in inconvenience. It has also prompted many utility service providers such as Reliance Energy Mumbai and Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited to move bill collections in-house, shifting recurring bill collection activity out of their core business area into BBPO that is exclusively focused on providing such services. Makes it possible for utility service provider to reduce the cost and focus on their core business competencies rather than the logistical challenges. Now, what is NPCI? So, NPCI, first of all, please recall, it is the current agency under which the BBPS system is working. So, the National Payments Corporation of India serves as an umbrella body for the operation of retail payment in India. This organization was established by Reserve Bank of India along with Indian Banks Association. NPCI was incorporated in December 2008 and was centrally prompted by the Reserve Bank of India. The certificate of commencement of business was issued in April 2009. Presently, NPCI is promoted by 10 major promoter banks that are State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Citibank, and also HSBC Bank. The objectives of formation of NPCI were that it was under the support of Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association with an aim of consolidating and integrating various systems into nationwide uniform and standard business process that can be used as a retail payment system. Another major objective was facilitating an affordable payment system that can help the common people during financial inclusion. Then, under the PSS Act 2007, as per the authorization of RBU, NPCI can operate in the following payment systems: National Financial Switch (NFS), Immediate Payment System (IMPS), affiliation of RuPay cards, debit card, prepaid card issued by banks, and co-branded credit cards issued by non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, or any other entity approved by RBI. National Automatic Clearing House (ACH), Aadhaar Enabled Payment System (AEPS), operation of check truncation system. So NPCI works across the platforms. In fact, we could put it this way, that NPCI looks out for the payments across the systems wherever the payment is being made successfully electronically. Products of NPCI. So RuPay card is a product of NPCI. It is a domestic card scheme of India that has a magnetic strip along with EVM chip. The card is now accepted at all ATMs and has been issued by 300 cooperative banks and regional rural banks in India. In fact, also by the national banks. National Common Mobility Card, also known as RuPay Contactless Card, it is a contactless payments technology that allows cardholders to use their card in contactless payment terminals without need to physically swipe or insert the card. Bharat Interface for Money, that is BHIM app, Bharat Interface for Money, is a mobile payment application. As I told you, it's an app based on NPCI's Unified Payment Interface (UPI). It provides the facility to easily send or receive money from other customers using the UPI. So even if they are using UPI on Paytm and you are using UPI on the BHIM app, or let's say GPay, the fact is that you are using UPI, and if you are using UPI, your transactions are possible. Unified Payment Interface. Unified Payment Interface (UPI) was introduced on 11th April 2016 as an instant interbank payment system. This payment system was developed to provide a mobile platform for instant transfer of funds between two bank accounts. Then comes in the Bharat Bill Payment System. The Bharat Bill Payment System is an initiative taken by NPCI along with the Reserve Bank of India for payment of all bills, which will provide an interoperable and accessible bill payment service to its customers. So in this session, I have tried to cover all the possible concepts or facts that could have been revised, making this particular news an opportunity for the same. Now let's look at the prelims practice question. Consider the following statements. Number 1, National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI, helps in promoting the financial inclusion in the country. Number 2, NPCI has launched RuPay card payment scheme. Which of this statement given above is correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. You need to put the correct answer in the comment box below. Now let's look at the mains practice question. Write a note on the Bharat Bill Payment System (BBPS). You need to answer this particular question in 150 words and send in your answers to us on WhatsApp to get them reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care and stay tuned.